Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to guide you step by step through my famous spa manicure at home. So these are the things that you're going to need: a ceramic bowl with hot water, these two essential oils, lavender and cedar. Lavender is very soothing, calming, and cedar oil actually boosts nail growth and makes them stronger. Then you're going to need a good nail file. This is the one that I use. It's like banana nail file from my local BIPA drugstore. Then you're going to need a good hand cream. I have this one, it's actually by ZIVOTA, it's cocoa butter body lotion, but I use it as a hand cream. I really like it because it's very thick and very nourishing, but it won't leave your skin feeling very greasy, so it absorbs quickly and it leaves your skin very smooth. So that's why I love it, and it's also really nice fragrance, you know, cocoa scent. Me personally, I really love the sweet scents of cocoa, honey, vanilla, almond. Yeah, these are basically my favorites, so I really like this one. And obviously some nail polishes, so I always use a good base coat, and I find this one, Look by BIPA, really is great because it's super inexpensive, very convenient, but really long lasting, and it's for ultra strong nails effect. It's basically nail hardener but without formaldehyde. So that's why I really like it. And then I chose these ones because we are still like in festive season. January, I still feel like, you know, having red nails. So this one is Catrice, and I really like the quality of Catrice nail polishes. They are really long lasting and they are very shiny, so they really give you that gel effect. And this particular shade is 91 Gin Tonic, and it's from their Icon Nails gel line, and it was really expensive. And then you're going to need a top coat. I really do like this shiny one. It's like glitter nail polish by Kiko Makeup Milano, and it really gives this really festive touch to this manicure. So it's the manicure I used all through the holidays, for Christmas and New Year's Eve, and this will make your manicure last longer. Obviously you can use just a clear top coat if you prefer. Okay, so I'm going to add just a couple of drops of lavender oil to my hot water. Well, hot, it's not like boiling hot, because obviously I'm going to soak my fingers in it. And then cedar, also a couple of drops, and this smells amazing. This is actually a tip I got from professionals. This is the company that actually produces essential oils, so I asked them what do they recommend for a good spa manicure at home, and they recommended me these two essential oils. And I did this first treatment like 10 days ago, and I can actually already see the results. It's amazing, it's incredible, but it's really amazing. Basically my nails were quite short and they were cracking and just splitting, and I couldn't leave them long because they would break. But I did this one treatment and immediately my nails started growing very long and strong, and I was like, you know, just amazed. So I thought I need to share this with you, like I really need to, because this is everything when it comes to manicure. You can do it at home, it's very inexpensive, it requires a little bit of time, maybe 20 minutes total, because I'm going to soak my fingers now for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm just going to file them and shape them and put some hand lotion and these nail polishes, and that's it. That's like nail manicure done, and it's going to be great, long lasting, and it's going to have amazing effect on the health and growth of my nails. So I definitely recommend you, you know, if you're spending loads at nail salon, putting artificial nails or gel nails, and you want to just leave your nails natural and make them stronger and just healthy. I definitely recommend you to try these mixture of these two essential oils and take a little bit of time out of your day. Do this every week or maybe once every 10 days and you will see amazing results. Okay, off I go to watch some YouTube video for another 10 minutes and then I'm back. Okay, so I soaked my fingers in warm water for like 10 to 15 minutes and I can already feel them being so fresh and so light and just so fragrant because of the cedar and lavender. You immediately start noticing the difference. So what I'm going to do next, I'm just going to quickly file my nails and just shape them a little bit. I don't need to do anything in particular because I already am very pleased with the shape of my nails. Maybe shorten them just a little bit, but I am trying to make them grow now since I saw, the amazing results. Make sure that your nail file isn't too, harsh, because that can also cause nail splitting. This one that I bought at BIPA drugstore is actually really good. I'm going to apply hand cream now. I also really like to use some natural oils for my hands whenever I'm doing like nighttime skincare routine. Whatever I put on my face, I will also apply on my hands. Sometimes I will use avocado oil, sometimes I will use grapeseed oils, argan oil, rose oil, whatever, I'm really into natural oils, as you guys probably already know. Make the skin of your hands youthful and just well taken care of. A great tip is to actually sleep with just white cotton gloves. You can get them, for example, at Drogerie Markt drugstores. This is where I bought mine. And sometimes I will put just hand cream and my gloves and go to sleep like this, and in the morning the skin of my hands is very soft and just feels baby-like, so I really do like that. So now it's time to put a clear coat, base coat. I'm going to leave it to dry just a couple of minutes and then I am going to apply this beautiful red one. Okay, so I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this gorgeous red color, and as you can see, first coat is already pretty pigmented, but I do like to put 2 coats whenever I'm doing my manicure. Okay, so this is the second coat of this beautiful red. I'm going to leave it for 5 minutes to dry a little bit, and then I'm going to apply a top coat. And then I'm going to be super careful not to ruin this, because this is basically perfect manicure. So I need to stay calm until my nails are completely dry. Sometimes I will use, the spray for your nails that makes them dry quicker, but now I don't have it, so I'm just going to do without it. It's an extra thing that you can do whenever you don't have a lot of time to just sit and patiently wait for your nails to be completely dry. Saves you a little bit of time, basically. Okay, now it's the time to apply this glittery top coat. And I really like to add it on top of red because it looks just really beautiful. It makes it super festive, basically, in combination with red. And that's it, my spa at home manicure that looks professionally done, and I can guarantee you, if you keep doing this at home, you will have extra long and very strong and healthy nails. So I hope you will try it out and leave me your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to press thumbs up and subscribe. Share this video on your social medias with your friends and family, with whoever could really benefit from this. I really appreciate it, and it really helps my channel grow a little bit, motivates me to keep filming. By the way, if you have any requests for my future videos, make sure to leave me your comment. Sending you all lots of love, and I will talk to you soon in my next video. Bye bye. Bye.